Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to create a surface in Civil 3D from contours. So from Civil 3D we can add a new project file. So we add a new drawing. So the next step, we need to import contours to create the surface. In AutoCAD we open the survey file with the contours. So you see a contour on the screen with the elevations in the properties dialog box. To copy these contours, we need to select all of the contours. You can do this manually, or another way is to use filter command. So escape from the manually selecting like we did before. Now I use filter. The first time when you open this dialog box, so there will be no features here to select. So what we're going to do is to add an object. So we add an object. Select a contour over here. So if we want to select all of the other contours, we need to delete some features over here. For example, we only keep the common features. Other objects, they are all polyline to show the contours. They are all in contours layer, the same line types, continuous line. The difference over here, that is the elevation. Each contour has its own elevation, so we have to delete this feature. Delete this. Thickness of the line, if we are not sure, we can delete this one. The color, they have the same color, so just leave it as it is and hit apply. This is the area we want to filter, so I will select the whole surface over here to cover all of the contours, and then we hit enter. So when you see all of the blue dots over here, so it means the contours are selected. Now we just hit Ctrl C to copy all of these, and we can see here copy clip with 65 elements found. So now we go to Civil 3D. We already add a new project file, and we're going to paste all of the contours to the screen. Remember that we need to choose paste from the screen over here with the paste to original coordinates to make sure that the contours are now placed at the same coordinates as in the AutoCAD file. And you can see that the command has been done, so we will then zoom in to see the contours. If you don't see them, just try to zoom, Z for zoom, and then extends, E for extends. Now all of the objects now shown on the screen, so we see the contours from AutoCAD file imported to Civil 3D. To create a surface from the contours in Civil 3D, we go to Surfaces, right click, hit create surface, a new surface with the features here. You can change the name or other features, but I'll leave it as it is and hit OK. So we have a new surface, and you need to assign the contours here to that surface. So we need to click plus, extend the browser over here, and we can see the definition. So we define the surface by the contours. So we click contours, right click, and add the contours to the surface. You can describe your contours or the surface feature, or you can skip this step, hit OK, and now select the contours. These are all contours without other features like buildings or trees, so we need to select the contours only. So we already have the contours only, so just make a windows, cover all of the contours, and then enter. So when you see the change like this, so you have a new surface with a border, a green line over here, and other contours added to the surface. To check the surface, you can right click and see the object viewer. We can just hold the left mouse button, and then you can just rotate around to check the feature of the surface. You can see some high points and low points of the surface. So this is a 3D surface you're gonna use to design a road or drainage systems. So now we finished the first step to create the surface from contours.